Samsung knows how to make a great foldable phone by now, and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is proof of that, but we're hoping for more improvements on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's talk about what we've heard so far about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. There are some leaks and rumors about when it might come out, how much it might cost, and what features it might have. We don't have a solid release date for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 yet, but Samsung usually launches these phones once a year, around August. The last one was announced in late July, so maybe the Z Fold 6 will be announced in July or August 2024. We think it will probably go on sale before August ends. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 was very expensive, starting at $1,800 USD, so don't expect the Z Fold 6 to be any cheaper. It might even cost more. Samsung's next foldable phone might look very different from the ones we've seen so far. According to a TechRev, a reliable leaker, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have a major form factor change. They also said that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will change the shape of the cover screen. Right now, the Z Fold series has a narrow cover screen that doesn't look like a regular phone screen. But the Z Fold 6 might have a wider cover screen, like the Oppo Find N2 and the Google Pixel Fold. Another source also said something similar, so this might be true. We've got some more details about the cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Apparently, they're gonna be the same as the ones on the Z Fold 5. You know, the 50 megapixel main camera, the 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, the 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the 10 and 4 megapixel selfie cameras. No big changes there. But what about its processor and battery? According to some rumors, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is more powerful and efficient than the 8 Gen 2. It will also support ray tracing and variable rate shading, making the Galaxy Z Fold 6 a gaming beast. As for the battery, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might have a dual cell design that can offer up to 6,000 mAh of capacity. This could enable fast charging and wireless reverse charging as well as longer battery life. It could be the ultimate foldable phone for multitasking, entertainment, and productivity. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our content, press like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.